Well, hello guys, and welcome back to Footsteps and Tyretracks. Do you want to charge your phone in your car, but you've got to put an adapter in your cigarette lighter? Well, I'm going to show you how to put a USB into your dash. It's really easy, and it's not going to take you very long at all.
We're Marc and V, and this is our adventures.
I want to install USB into the dash of this sander. So it's a T5, T5, and it would be the same on a T5.1, I would hope. It's quite a simple process again. We're gonna, basically, this is the unit I bought. It says for use with a T5 on it as well. So it's obviously designed to go in the actual switch recess here, and as you can see, I've already got the wire which I've taken in through, and we've gone down the side here, down the side of the fuse box, and we've come down underneath, around, and then we'll use a piggyback fuse down here. We'll have a look at the fuses at a later stage and decide where we're going to piggyback from. You can see previously someone's already put something in here. We've got like a little alarm, I think that's reversing an alarm actually, and put that one in. So we're going to check what fuses are sensible to use, and we may even move that one as well. So you can see the wire comes down there. That one literally just plugs in there, and then that would set. Just feed the wires back in a bit, and that would set in that recess, and that gives us USB power on the go in the dash. We will have something in the back at some stage, but this is for the moment, this is in the front. Although this is quite standard on the sander, so I personally don't like it. So I think I'm probably going to remove all that, and we might go off. I think you can get aluminium, so we'll do that. And we're going to upgrade the dash a little bit. We'll go for the newer controls there. We're going to change the steering wheel, and we're going to go for a 3-spoke steering wheel. I think we'll have one off a Passat multifunction. And I believe this will come at a later stage, and there'll be a few videos on this van. I believe this Kenwood stereo can be controlled from the multifunction steering wheel with an extra loom. So we'll find out about that, and if that's possible, we will do that. We will, however, probably try a few different head units in here as well, because Ian have promised me that they're going to send me another head unit for this van. So we'll see. It hasn't turned up yet, so you know, maybe they will, maybe they won't. Right, so let's carry on with the wiring here now. So what we're going to do next, well, we've put everything back together now, and the last thing that is needed to be done is to put the wiring in on the fuses for the USB in the dash. So what we've done, what I've done is I've had a look through all the fuses. There's all the fuses. And I've gone through the fuses, and these are the options I think we have. We've got SB12, which is a cigarette lighter, SC4, which is a 12-volt socket, SC14, which was for a mobile telephone, SC25, which was the heated driver's seat, SC26, which is a tachograph, SC31 for the sunroof, SC32 for headlight washer, SC33 for tachograph, and SC36 for a 12-volt socket. Now all of them look feasible. Now the next thing to do is find out whether they've been wired in and whether they're hot constant power or if they're switchable power. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. So I'm just going to have a look around and see how we get on, and we'll come back. So I've decided on, from the ones I've got plumbed in, we've gone for this one here, SC5, which is refrigerator box. Obviously we've not got a refrigerator box on the van, but the cable, the fuse, sorry, was actually plumbed in. So we've gone for that one, and I've got the two cables coming in there, so that's the USB and the dash cam. The theory is I know what's going to go on. Now this was done previously, and I've checked up, and that's going into an accessory port, so I'm happy to leave that as that is. So what we'll do is we'll come around the other side, switch on the ignition,
And what I'm going to do here as well, it's just a little bit darker now, so hopefully you can see it a lot clearer when we switching the ignition on. And there you are, you can see the USB's powering up. So there you are, we're able to charge our phones or whatever USB device we want while we're driving, which is brilliant. Well, thanks for watching the video, guys, and if you really enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more T5 stuff, Sander stuff, camping and traveling. See you in the next video, guys. Look after yourselves. Bye.